Hi guys, it's Tristan from World English School. Today I'm going to be making David from No David out of felt and newspaper. We're going to do the cover of No David. We're going to cut out the felt and then we're going to put newspaper like this here, crumpled up like that, and we're going to put that in and then we're going to cover it in the felt. Why don't we start with David's pants? Let's make a leg here, and then if I put it like this, I'm going to cut this here. That's one of his legs. I'm gonna crumple this up. That's about right. I'm gonna cut that. We've got this now, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna staple it here, like that. Now I think we should do his pants. We're gonna need some newspaper here. So we're gonna put that there, cut around it. I'm gonna staple it here. So now we have two legs, and we have the top of the pants. What we're gonna create next is the body. I'm gonna use just white, and then I'm gonna put blue stripes on it. We need newspaper first. Crumple it up. Okay, we got two pieces of newspaper here. Let's wrap it up. I think that's about the right size. I'm gonna put it in the white. There's his body right there. Next up, I'm gonna do the head. Crumple this up. I'm gonna wrap it up. Staple it here. Now we're gonna create his arms. So we have one piece here. I'm gonna do this, put this here. That's one arm right there. Staple it. Next arm, cut the fabric. Take this newspaper here, crunch it up. Here's the two arms. Now we have the outline of David. We have this blue. There's one stripe, two stripes. Cut this a little bit smaller. Maybe we'll put this at the top. I guess I'll just staple it here. Put this stripe around the other part of his body. There you have it. I think I'll attach the legs here. Put as many staples as we want. There's one leg. Let's connect his other leg. Staple this here. We're gonna connect the legs to the body. I'm gonna make a bigger belt for him. I'm gonna take a lot of black here, staple it here. I'm gonna just staple it all around here. Now we have his body. Let's go ahead and do the head. Let's put the arms on. Make one go here. Put the other arm over here. We got the arms connected. I'm gonna just draw here, color this in black. There, that's his mouth. Okay, then we're gonna put his eyes. Okay, there's the nose, here and here, eyebrow here. Let's do some little hairs on his head. We're gonna cut 5 fingers here, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Let's do 5 over here. 1, 2, 3. He needs some shoes. I'm gonna use this white here, and then I'm gonna put some newspaper in these. So we're gonna do this. And there's a shoe. Staple here. I'm gonna do the other shoe here. That's about the right size, yeah. Staple it here. Okay, there he is. Thanks for watching, and goodbye from David. Let's say goodbye, David. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys.